Hello everyone, I'm Sebastian Y and this is Foundations of Economics. In this video I'm going to solve an exercise on profit maximization for a monopoly. In our chart we're given our demand function with the quantity and price, and we're also given the total cost to produce each quantity of output. We're going to use this to fill in our chart. Total revenue is price times quantity, so we'll start filling this in. 0 times 100 is 0. 1 times 90 is 90, 2 times 80 is 160, 3 times 70 is 210, and so on. Marginal revenue is the change in revenue going from each unit of output to the next. Marginal revenue doesn't exist for quantity of 0, but from there we take 90 minus 0 is 90, 160 minus 90 is 70, 210 minus 160 is 50, and so on. For the marginal cost, we look at how much the total cost changes from each unit of output to the next. As with marginal revenue, there is no marginal cost at quantity of 0, but from there we take 35 minus 25 is 10, 50 minus 35 is 15, 70 minus 50 is 20, and so on. For the total profit, we are going to take total revenue minus total cost. At 0 output, we have 0 revenue and 25 costs, so negative 25. At 1 output, we have 90 revenue and 35 total costs. That gives us 55 profit. At 2, we have 160 revenue and 50 costs, so that's 110 in profit. And we'll continue doing this all the way down. To figure out the profit maximizing output and price, we want to increase output as long as marginal revenue exceeds marginal cost. For the first unit of output, 90 marginal revenue exceeds 10 marginal cost, 70 exceeds 15, 50 exceeds 20, 30 exceeds 25. But once we get to the 50th unit of output, 30 marginal cost exceeds the marginal revenue of 10, and so we want to stop at 4 units. We can confirm this by looking at the total profit column, where we see that at a quantity of 4 and price of 60, we have 145 profit, which is higher than any other value on the chart. So we'll fill in our monopoly quantity is 4, monopoly price is 60, and monopoly profit is 145. The last thing we're asked to do here is to determine the socially efficient output and price. We now want to compare the marginal cost with the price. As long as the price is greater than marginal cost, that means that someone is willing to pay more than it costs to make that unit, and so it's worth it for society. For the first unit, 90 price, 10 marginal cost, we're good. 80 is higher than 15, so we're going to keep going, and we'll keep comparing this, 70 to 20, 60 to 25, 50 to 30, 40 to 35, but once we get to the 7th unit, we see that marginal cost of 40 exceeds the price of 30, so that's where we would want to stop as far as society is concerned. So this tells us that our socially efficient quantity is 6, and our socially efficient price is the corresponding 40. We can see that this is 2 units higher than what our monopoly would choose. If they were to go to the 6th unit, that would result in a lowered profit of 80. By holding back output, they're able to keep the price a little bit higher and make more profit. That's all there is to it. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Thanks for watching.